Here I am. I'm at my favorite fishing spot number 2. Right now I'm looking at the water and give you a view of it from the bridge. You can see that the water is crystal clear. You can see down in there very easily. I'm going to use the traditional baits that I've been using. Have them strung up on my pole here. I have the Hellgrammite, which I will be using. It does very well, catches quite a few fish, so I'll be using that, as well as my Whopper Plopper, which should do very well for catching fish. So I'm gonna head out. Hopefully I get some real nice fish and show you some good video. Take care and God bless. Here's this pretty little bass that I just caught. First one of the day. Real nice, not too large, only probably about 11 inches, maybe 12 inches at best, but gonna let him go and let him get bigger. Love that splash. Got this little one here. Let me just get the thing out of its mouth. There we go. Nice little rock bass. So I'll let him go back. Got one. Looks like a rock bass. Yep, that's what we got here. Another little rock bass. Say hello to all your friends. You're a star now. Let's try back in there. All right, caught another one. Wow, nice chunky one. Oops. Try to get that out. There we go. It's a nice, pretty healthy rock bass. All right, I got my bait over there dangling, trying to encourage the fish. If you see it out there. And take it. One just to come up. Okay, fishy, where are you? Where are you, fishy? Here, fishy, fishy. I thought surely a smallmouth bass would come up and snag that, if not a rock bass. As I shared before, I like to try to do little incremental changes, just moving about 1 to 2 feet max each time I take a step. Fishing with my Whopper Plopper. I have a lot of confidence in this. As I shared before, I've only lost a handful of fish with this ever, and when I speak of that, I'm speaking primarily of once a fish aggressively attacks it, and I get the initial hook set. Whoops, there's a little one. My experience has been, once I get that, I don't tend to lose the fish. I've had some come up and swipe at it, but not necessarily hit it. But as I shared with you, once there's an intent to hit the bait with the purpose of consuming it, attacking it, or whatever their purpose is, I make the hook up. Oh, got this nice one on. All right. He's a fighter. Let's see. Get him. I'm gonna put him up on the shore so I don't lose him. There we go. Yes. That is a big boy. Grab my pliers. Try to get under them. There we go. Ooh, sorry about that, buddy. You can see he's quite a fighter. He's a big boy. He's tearing up my finger, but I'm gonna put him back and let him get bigger. That was a nice fish.